Hi everyone! Today is a very exciting day. Artsnacks decided to change a little bit things around, and they added a new box to their subscription, and it's the Artsnacks Plus. So the original box is like this, so you can see the difference in size, and this one costs $24. This one costs $39 plus roughly $10 shipping, so $49. There's a huge difference in price. There's a huge difference in size, as you can tell. But what they mainly wanted to do is offer a full-size paper item in their new box. So I hope the difference in price will be worth it. It also will have the same items that are in this box, plus a few extra from what I understand. And every month there will be a new coupon for free shipping in the Artsnacks shop. So I thought I'd give it a shot. I thought it would be fun to try and figure out what's in there, but now I will stop talking and I will open this box because I'm super excited to see what's in it. It's really big. And we start with a big pad of something I already have one of, but I kind of knew it would happen. It's Stonehenge paper. It's awesome paper. I love it. It's drawing paper and it's white. It's 90 pound. It's kind of vellum. It's smooth, but it's great for colored pencils. 100% cotton, and it's a 9 by 12, so that already I think is about 15 bucks or maybe more, just off the top of my head. So yeah, 15 bucks is, you know, not bad. I was worried that they would put up, you know, like $5 paper pads and that's it. So let's see what else we have. Oh, interesting. Look at this. Never seen that before. It's a bubble Ziploc type thing. That's cool. So I'll put this back in here and see what we have. We've got a Higgins Black Magic ink marker, which we have received before. Oh yeah, you have to prime it first. Ooh, pretty. Sour Patch Kid. And let's see what we have in this here. So my guess is this will be in a smaller box and this is the extra item. Here we have a Pentel Arts Hybrid Technica, which we've already had before. A brush sign pen artist, and I don't know what brand this is. Let me see. Yeah, it's a Pentel. We've had that before as well. It's just that I think the other one, oh, right there is Pentel. Okay, it looks a little bit different, but I know we've had this as well. Oh no, we haven't. Never mind. This one is an actual brush pen. Cool. With real bristles. Aqua Pen Graphics by Marabou. Double-sided pen or marker. It's watercolor felt tip pen. Nice. And the other nib is a fine nib. And it looks like it's some kind of purplish brownish. Is there the name of the color here? There's no color name. I don't like when there's no color name. Anyway, we got another one in red and a new Plumchester item, which is a mechanical pencil, and it's really tight in its little sleeve here. Alright, it's very pretty. You get the little eraser. It's nice and compact. It's a 05. Oh, I like it. I like the mechanical pencils that have the metal bit that retracts, because when I draw, I can see the bit much better. I can see the lead much better. So it feels nice. It's very pretty. So this is what we got in the Artsnacks Plus box this month. And I'm wondering if these, they're water-based, they will work well on the Stonehenge white, because it might peel a little bit, but we'll give it a shot. And here, so see, they give two menus. This is the menu you will probably get in the regular Artsnacks box that has the Plumchester mechanical pencil, the Pentel brush, the Marabou graphics pens, and the Pentel Arts hybrid Technica. So this comes in the regular box, and in the Artsnacks Plus you get the pad of paper and you get the Higgins Black Magic ink marker. So there you go.
The mechanical pencil works great. It's very light, but still is solid in your hand. It's a 2B lead, so a bit dark to sketch with, but I kind of like that anyway. So it's pretty. I really liked it. Now for the Higgins Black Magic marker, it has ink in it. It's waterproof, and it feathers a lot, as you can tell, on the Stonehenge paper. I tried it on another paper and it worked very well, but definitely doesn't work very well on the Stonehenge paper. And not only does it feather, but it actually bleeds through, so you could see it on the other side. The Pentel brush pen is beautiful. This one is not waterproof, and neither is the Pentel Arts Technica pen, which says that it is water resistant, which it is, because it doesn't smudge all the way. You can still read what you write with it, but it is not waterproof. The ink will smudge if you put water on it. As far as the Marabou aqua pens are concerned, they are really nice, except they do not work very well on the Stonehenge paper. Again, that paper just kind of absorbs and spreads, feathers those type of markers, and it just drinks up the ink so fast that you really can't use it as a watercolor marker on the Stonehenge paper. I tried it on a watercolor paper and it works much better, although the results were different for the two colors. Also for the Marabou markers, I wish again that they had the names of the colors on them. The Pentel brush pen worked very well, and I really love how you can have a very fine line with it. And the ink from the hybrid Technica pen flows really nicely, really smoothly on the paper, and it's a 04, but it's a very fine line. The Artsnacks Plus offers a prompt, and this time it's to recreate an album cover. Because I realized that half of the supplies wouldn't work very well on the Stonehenge paper, I was not going to use that paper for my monthly challenge. But I used just a small piece of it to do the art prompt, and I did something very basic, very easy, very fast, just to say that I did it. Once I was done, I ended up using my Stillman and Burn Beta sketchbook, because I knew the paper would be much better with the supplies, and I started sketching with the Plumchester mechanical pencil. I really enjoyed sketching with it. Again, it just holds well in your hand. But you know, the supplies list says it's $18. Would I ever buy a mechanical pencil for that price? Most likely not. I'm not very picky with my mechanical pencils. As long as they draw lines, that's fine with me. So 18 bucks for one, even though it's very pretty, I probably wouldn't have bought it, but I'm glad I have it now. Alright, so now I feel like I have to address the elephant in the room, and sorry if I'm gonna have a little rant right now, but I'm a bit disappointed with this box. Because, first of all, the Higgins Black Magic marker was already sent in the December 2016 box. Not only that, but the Pentel Technica was also sent in the July 2016 box. Not only that, but 2 Marabou Graphics Aqua Pens were sent in the January 2018 box. This box was actually very, very similar to this month's box, where it also had a mechanical pencil, a pen, and a brush pen. And a pad of Stonehenge Colors paper was sent out in the Studio Collection in 2017. Granted, there were color papers. Three of those sheets were white. This time it's a full white pad. Now, all the supplies are great, and this box is really nice because of that, because the supplies are really nice. And if you've never had them in a previous box, it's a wonderful box. All right. Now, for people who have been subscribing for a while, it's just very disappointing to receive the exact same thing. It's not just one item that I already have from past boxes, it's 3 of them. Not only that, but I think the box wasn't very well curated either. Artsnacks advertises that the paper that they send with the supplies is curated so that it works perfectly well with the supplies. Well, this month it's not the case. As you've seen, the Higgins marker feathered a lot on the Stonehenge paper, so it's kind of useless. And the watercolor markers didn't really blend at all on this paper. They just didn't spread with water. So it's 2 out of the 5 supplies that didn't work very well on this paper. And on top of it all, the coupon that they sent for free shipping in their store is for orders over $30. So after all the frustration of opening this box, because I had high expectations, I ended up taking my Stillman & Burns Beta sketchbook, and I found a funny picture on the Sketchy app of somebody who had put a filter on her photo, probably from WhatsApp. And I thought it was funny. I decided to use it and just chill and have fun with the supplies. Because no matter what, individually, like I said before, all the supplies are great. But, you know, Artsnacks led me to believe that they would work very well together, but they don't. So Artsnacks, please up your game. If you're going to say the paper is going to work well with supplies, just try the supplies on the paper to see for yourself if they actually work well or not, because it seems like you didn't. I love the Stonehenge paper, but not for markers. It works great for light watercolors. It works great for drawing. I absolutely love it with colored pencils, but it's just not appropriate with the supplies you sent. So I do not want to end a 3-year relationship with you, Artsnacks. Please, please, please make it better next time. Thank you all for bearing with me and for enduring my rant. I just wanted to give my honest opinion and a pretty in-depth review of this new box. So I'm going to continue receiving it for a while and hope for the best. And thank you all for stopping by. And I hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.